Hi, welcome to BrainyBuzz. We are going through the CSS tutorials and this is Premvada. For any queries you can contact me at technical.trainer1909@gmail.com. So far we have seen a lot of properties like table properties or your link properties, list properties. But today we are going to study CSS border properties. These properties are applicable to each and every element of the each and every HTML element, whether you have proper like tables or paragraphs or headings. So let's start. First one is the border style. This property is basically used to set the border style of an element, like in table properties also we have seen it a little bit. So this is a normal HTML paragraph or the page that I have created using the Dreamweaver, and if you want so I can saved it with the border properties.html. So if you save it and you open the document in the web page, you can see that there are two paragraphs. One is this is a sample paragraph and another is this is another paragraph. So in this style tags I want to apply the border properties on this particular paragraph. So over here first of all I'll write border style. So if I write as the solid and save it, refresh it, you can see a border is come around this paragraph. But there are times when we want the top and bottom border different and the left and right borders different. So for that we have some properties like border bottom style. So over here in the bottom we can write as this dashed. In the border top style I can write as the solid. Bottom and top I'll write as the dashed, and the left and right I'll keep as the solid. You can also place as res, outset or hidden, groove, double, the way you want. I'll write as the solid over here, and for the border left style I'll write as solid. So if you just save it and refresh your page, you can see that the top and the bottom are the dashed ones and the left and the right are the solid borders. So this way you can keep them. After that you have the here you can see the values that you can put, and the description also, and over here these are the border top and right and bottom and left style. Now I have the border width. If you want to change the border width, I'll write as thin, or I'll write it as 3 pixels. Save it and refresh it. 3 pixels I guess is the default one. If you write it as the 5 pixel and you refresh it, you can see the difference. It has increased a little bit. Okay, over here I'm taking as the solid because it's not looking good, the dashed one and this one. So now you can see that this is the solid with the 5 pixel width. But at the same time, if you want to give some different values for it, like for this bottom, top, left, right, you can give it like we have given in the border style. So I'll just rather copy from there. Control C and I'll just paste it over here. So now you can see your top and bottom are 10 pixels and your left and right are 5 pixels. Like we have mentioned here, border bottom width, border top width, border left width and border right width. So after that you have color also. One thing, you have border color. You can keep it as blue. Refresh it and you can see it blue in color. But at the same time, if you want your left as red, border right color as blue, border top color as green, and border bottom color we can choose some purple from here. Save it, and if you just refresh it, you can see it in different colors: red, green, purple, magenta or blue color over here. So like this you can place different colors on each and every border that you want, and you can also place the width of each and every border, like top, left, right and bottom. So this is applicable on each and every tag, whether you have the heading tags, you have to put a comma over here. So now you can see that your border is applicable to any element, and you can also use these values in table borders also. Thanks and have a nice day.